National Dental Health Month wrapping up, it's important that we don't lose focus on this important issue, especially for our kids. Here to give us some tips for keeping the kiddos' teeth in tip-top shape, welcome Dr. Pokala. Good morning to you.
Good morning, Brooke.
All right, so I have a 2-year-old, so this has definitely been a topic on my mind, and you were telling me that I've actually missed the appropriate window for bringing him in for his first dental checkup, and you said that that's a common problem.
Yes, I think many people don't realize that dentists and pediatricians recommend that children visit the dentist by their first birthday to get started on a good road to prevention.
Okay, well, I know what I'll be doing on Monday. Tell me a little bit about why we want to get the children in sooner than later at that age.
It is very interesting that 1 in 4 children under the age of 5 has cavities. And that's a big surprise because you would expect that children now don't get cavities because we're using so much fluoride toothpaste. But it's becoming more of a problem because children are not being encouraged to use fluoride toothpaste when they're very young.
And it's also difficult to brush with them. They want to chew on it and just kind of suck on the water or on the tasty toothpaste, but you know, it's hard as a parent to really get in there and give them a good toothbrushing.
Yeah, there's no good answer to that one. A 2-year-old is a 2-year-old.
I was hoping you'd have a tip on that.
Yes, well, we do encourage parents to persevere and give you tips on how to make it a little bit easier. Sometimes role modeling with the child, letting the child brush your teeth is a big big plus. They like that.
Tell us a little bit about the toothbrushes and toothpastes that are appropriate. You brought some props here.
I did. I'm a big believer in fluoridated toothpaste, that it should be used from the beginning. As soon as the first tooth comes in, we want you to brush teeth with a soft, small head toothbrush that can get in the mouth, be comfortable to the child. And the fluoride in the toothpaste makes the enamel harder and prevents decay. Now, the big problem with fluoridated toothpaste is that you're worried that the child is going to swallow too much. So we recommend that you start off using just a very small amount of toothpaste, just the size of the child's little pinky. And then on a young child that can't spit out, you want to wipe off their teeth with a washcloth.
Well, and I've noticed that for a 2-year-old, it's actually, I've made it kind of fun for him, the whole spitting game into the sink. So especially for a little boy, I think they like to be messy, and that's kind of fun. So maybe make that the fun part. Is that part of the strategy here?
Absolutely. And then using toothbrushes that are fun, character toothbrushes really motivates children too. You can get toothbrushes that make music, you know, and they go a long way to making the process easier.
We only have a couple seconds left, but there's a big difference between pediatric dentist and an adult dentist.
I think that's something the public doesn't realize also, that there's a specialty of pediatric dentistry. We have 2 years extra training after dental school. We are learning how to make kids feel less stressed in the office, make the whole experience fun and stress-free, make parents understand, you know, the importance of keeping good teeth, healthy gums. And this really is for a lifetime. When you start off with children, children grow up into adults. And so you're affecting a lifetime of oral health.
More good habits.
Yeah.
Well, thank you so much. There's so much more to talk about, and we're actually going to do that tonight on our 10 p.m. broadcast with you. So thank you, Dr. Pokala.
No, my pleasure. Thanks for bringing me on.
All right. Okay, well, as I said, join us back tonight at 10, where Dr. Pokala will talk about how you can catch bacteria in your family and prevent it from becoming a really big problem. All right, well, the storm is here, and it's just starting right now. The major storm is hitting San Diego.